Hello, everybody. Patty Ho with Keller Williams, your real estate expert. It's that time of the year again. I can't believe Christmas is just right around the corner. This year has definitely gone by very fast. Since I don't get to see most of you, I wanted to take this opportunity to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And most importantly, catch you guys one last time before you wander off into holiday mode. So I put together a quick summary, really looking at some of the greatest and latest market stats, digging into the trends that may indicate important economic shift as well as housing trends going ahead, forecasting 2021. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these numbers. And for those of you who know me, I'm a total numbers gal, and I like to let statistics tell us the story. So let's get started. 2021 real estate outlook. Home prices are projected to keep rising through the year of 2021, and that's primarily due to historical low interest rate and also inventory drought. We are still seeing an unprecedented demand for housing. And another key factor that is often overlooked is what I like to call renter conversion. According to Census 2020, nearly half of people living in California currently rent. So when people ask me this question, why real estate market is so crazy, we're having a national crisis. Hey guys, let's not forget, a lot of people don't own their home. And when it makes more sense to own than rent, this renter conversion can have huge impact on the market. Housing bubble. So how bubbly are we? Well, to really answer this question, the biggest economic challenge is estimating how many people who have lost various forms of income can still make the mortgage payments. Approximately 5.5% of first mortgages in California are delinquent in July. This number has increased significantly from 1.8% in February. The good news is we're still below national average of 6.9%. And California as a state, we are doing a lot better than some of those states out there that are really hit hard on, like Mississippi, 11.8%, Louisiana, 10.8%. And I like to mention that 3.5% of the 5.5% is considered seriously delinquent. So that pretty much means more than 90 days late, although we are still under national average of 4.1%. Foreclosure, are we going to see an influx of foreclosed homes? So we all know that the forbearance program has been rather generous, and there's literally no penalty for people who need to delay the payments. So we are already seeing delinquencies falling nationally, suggesting that the initial inflow of COVID-19 related delinquencies have subsided. So that's really a good news, right? And with the possibility of vaccines rolling out as early as spring next year, we are really seeing hope at the end of the tunnel. And whenever we talk about foreclosure, I always want to talk about equity position. So I still believe that most California homeowners have a relatively healthy equity position in their home. And for that reason, I do believe that if anything were to happen, most homeowners will be inclined to put their house on the market for sale rather than having it foreclosed upon. So I personally don't believe that we are going to see a lot of foreclosure homes. However, I do think that more inventory is expected to hit the market beginning of 2021. And increase in resale homes is expected at 7%. And all these are national numbers, by the way. We are expecting about 4 million new construction homes getting built. New home prices are projected to rise another 5.7%. So overall, home prices will still be on the rise next year, however, at a slower pace, okay? We will remain on the upper end of what we consider normal price growth. The forecast further anticipates the mortgage rates will begin slowly going up toward the last half of 2021, eventually reaching 3.4% by the end of the year. Key housing trends. So what will be the permanent impact that this whole COVID leave behind? Well, first of all, I think more companies will be more lenient towards their work from home policy, and more people will be encouraged or motivated to move away from the city to the suburban. Okay, and again, this renter conversion will still be a huge player in the housing market next year. Okay, we're still seeing a lot of first-time home buyers. Changing lifestyle. So a lot of you, like myself, have put in a little bit of investment, turning one of the bedrooms into a gym or a home office. So I really don't think all that investment is going to just go to waste, right? So we are still expecting people to spend a ton of time at home, really utilizing these new amenities that they implemented in their house. Inflation is still going to be the hottest topic going into 2021. And with the government's aggressive approach with quantitative easing, there is just so much money in the market right now. I think inflation is definitely going to happen or keep on happening for 2021. New construction homes, I like to talk a little bit about that, and also the millennials. Okay, so the inventory bump that's expected to happen next year is really a combination of sellers listing their homes for sale, as well as builders completing more homes. And the largest generation in history, millennials, will continue to shape the housing market as they become an even bigger player. The older millennial will be trade out buyers, okay, as they turn 40 in 2021. Many of them having owned their first home long enough to see a significant, substantial equity gain, okay? While the younger generation or the younger segment of the generation will turn 25 going into 2021. So they will most likely be aging into key years of first-time home buying, okay? So to kind of summarize my little presentation today, I wanted to talk about the market forecast based on realtor.com. So mortgage rates, like I mentioned before, we are expecting average around 3.2% throughout the year, and eventually going after 3.4% by the end of the year. Okay, existing home median sale price is expected to go up 5.7%. Existing home sales up 7%. And all these are national numbers, okay? Single family home housing starts. So this includes new construction homes as well as existing homes, but they're getting rebuilt, okay? Up by 9%. Home ownership rate, again, national number, 65.9%. So what is the outlook for the metro area? For San Francisco, Oakland, Hayward, 2021 sales growth percentage-wise year on year is expected at 1.3%. Price growth percentage year on year is 8.4%. San Jose, Sunnyvale, and Santa Clara, definitely more aggressive at 10.8% on the sales side year on year. Pricing growth, also 10.8% year on year, okay? So yeah, so I hope you guys like my content. I do have all these numbers for the metro areas by major cities. So if you guys are interested in learning more about that, definitely send me a message. I will go ahead and forward that over for you. If you like my presentation, press a like button so I know you enjoyed it, and I will keep on making more of these videos to kind of give you the very good content, and also just keep you updated with the latest and greatest market trends, okay? Other than that, that's all I have, and happy Saturday, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. And if I don't see you, Happy New Year. Bye-bye.